Hello friends, Nagina Sharma welcomes you in our YouTube channel Bokaro Garden. Friends, today I am giving video on how to grow rose plant in English.
On behalf of Bokaro Garden, please find here the method of planting rose plant in soil. First of all, we will prepare a trench of this size and then put the fertilizer mixed, gobar khad mixed soil in this. We have put the soil with gobar khad here. Then we will put some crunch khalli and we will also put the banana peels, and here is the we will put some bone meal here, and then banana peels is already there, and for preventing the fungus attack this fungicide is also given in the soil. It is mixed here. So all these fertilizers put together should be mixed properly here like this. For rose plant, soils should be rich and acidic. So all these things have been given for making it rich. While planting a rose when you plant rose in a pot, then drainage is required. But since it is being put in soil itself, so it is not required. Now fresh soil is being put here like this. The rose plant brought from nursery has been removed from this bag and is put in the soil like this. Now the trench should be filled with the outer soil like this. Friends, while selecting place for planting the rose plant, you must see that at least 6 hours of sunlight is available at that place. Put water like this. After planting the plant, you have to put the water. And it is regarding water, while planting first time you give sufficient water, but later on you must test whether the soil is dry. When the soil is dry, only then give the water, not in between. Friends, the rose is heavy feeder, so following fertilizer should be used. Say Miracle Grow, it is available in the market. Banana peels, phosphorus, egg cell, it will give calcium, Epsom salt, magnesium and sulfur, etc. Fertilizer is to be given once in a month or maximum twice in a month. Pruning, you should prune the plant in between as required, but in October heavy pruning is required for this. For preventing insect diseases, use neem oil or imidacloprid. This is best fungicide for insecticide used for rose is imidacloprid or neem oil. Friends, this is all for this video. Please like, subscribe and comment on this video, and please wait for the next video. in English version. Thank you. Bye. Wish we will meet again.